So we've installed our floor supports. They're 1x1 cypress strips. To mark their location, we used a straight edge on top of the stringers and transverse frames, marked it with pencil. Then we cut our pieces to size and dry fit them. We notched the front here so that the wood would take the shape easier. The notches are about 1 inch apart and 1/2 inch deep. After they were dry fitted, we pulled them off, applied thickened epoxy to the back of the cypress strips, then reinstalled them using screws from the outside. Don't worry about these holes, they'll be covered up when we glass the outside. Then we cleaned off all the thickened epoxy from the top and the bottom so that it's easier in preparation for putting our floor down. So we're going to install our shear bumper. I chose to use cypress. Mine is 1/2 inch thick by 1 inch tall. First thing you want to do is dry fit this. You'll take the end here, you'll set it up at the stem, and then without any clamps, you'll just roll it around. I like to start right here at the front bulkhead. Then I'll work my way back, following the top of the boat. So now that I've got it held in 2 places, I'll come back and work forward. The plywood can be wavy in an unsupported section, especially along the shear. That's why we go ahead and install this outer shear bumper. At the front, when you secure it, you're going to want to stand back from the boat and look at it. Make sure that this is in a fair curve. Chances are there might be a few imperfections. That's normal. If you need to tweak it and then sand down the top, that's okay. So once this is dry fit, we'll mark where it goes. We'll pull it apart, apply thickened epoxy, and clamp it back on. We'll let it cure before we flip the boat over and glass it. We installed a stem at the front of the boat to reinforce it. We cut it down to shape and then glued it in with thickened epoxy. Wherever we mount a D-ring or an eye on the front of the boat, it gives us something to drill through and something for our bolts to grab onto.